What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another Fire podcast. And over here today, we have a very, very special guest with us today. He is an actor by day and a podcast guest by night. His name is Sardar Usman. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
I'm
This
good,
guy,
man.
he
I'm
has
good. How
performed
are
in
you
a lot
guys
of
doing?
he has performed in a lot of theater plays. He has performed in a lot of commercial TV shows as well. He's currently working for ARY. Expand upon that, Usman. What's up?
Yeah, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? I just forgot to ask
Good.
Salman. How is Salman doing?
Yeah, dude, I'm doing pretty well. I'm really excited to talk to you. You know,
Likewise. So, how are things at your side? I hope everything's
dude,
fine.
things are
And yeah,
great.
it's a pleasure talking to you guys. So, thanks for hitting me up. And let's come to the business. So, right now, I'm in Karachi. I'm shooting for Dunk. It's a drama serial for ARY. And
Mm-hmm.
just before Dunk, I did a short film. Actually started my own thing. It's by the name of The Perfect Films, and I would want you guys to subscribe and follow that as well. So
Oh, for
Of
sure.
course,
I'll do
bro.
the
Of
Guys,
same for you.
course.
Yeah.
everyone,
Thanks,
just
man.
like and subscribe to our stuff, and then like and subscribe to Sardar
To
Response
The
too. The
Perfect
link
Mix
will be
film.
down below.
Yeah. Love you, buddy. Love you. Yeah, so it's there. So I just made a short film for 14th of August. It was for the Independence Day, and it highlighted a certain issue that you can say the dual face of society. That we disrespect the flags.
Mm-hmm.
It's only on the 14th of August we see people going crazy and going nuts for the flags. And फिर 15
Mm-hmm.
अगस्त को ही सबकी औकात सामने आ जाती है। तो उस चीज़
सही
पे है,
बात
आप
है.
लोग देखें, अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को देख के। एंड उसके अलावा
Okay.
से बस कराची में गर्मी खा रहे हैं, that's it from my side.
Dude,
Tell me how goddamn hot is in Karachi, bro. Like I've been hearing Karachi is getting more and more humid by the day. Really bad.
By the night as well, man. It's
Damn.
very bad.
Damn.
It's super
So
bad.
wait, so wait, can you give us a little bit more context on what type of videos you make on your YouTube channel if you're down?
Yeah, firstly, the first video is called Azadi Mubarak. This was our first project. So, but I have like 13 or 14 videos lined up, which I'll be releasing
Okay.
in the next 6 months. The topics that I've chosen are, well, I think surprise रहने देना चाहिए, but चलो थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ. I'll be talking about the
Yeah. We
things
want
that
exclusives,
mostly
bro.
people. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So you're the first one to get that. So I just want to make videos about the certain social issues that people don't usually talk about. Let's say the rights of minorities, and then there are, just like there are some forceful conversions of minorities into, they're converted into Muslims forcefully, and then they're married to their abductors. So these kind of things are. And then we have transgender issues. We have loads and loads of issues to talk about. But people, I don't know, they only fantasize love stories and comedy and
I
whatnot.
swear, man.
Usman,
Yeah, I think
you,
we should be honest, and we should be sincere to the field that we are in, and we should highlight the issues that we are facing as a nation instead of just romanticizing and just selling things for money. So I have this
Mm-hmm.
plan. So let's see क्या बनता है
dude,
इसका.
that is great, man. Like, it sounds like you have this all planned out very well. Like, a lot better than we have ever planned out in our lives. So, like, that
I
is
think it
really cool
sounds
to
like
hear.
that.
Yeah, you'll definitely get, us as your next subscribers. And
Oh,
hopefully a couple more people down below will like it too, guys. I
Yeah.
think the idea is great.
a
It's
dozen more,
definitely worth
man.
checking
Not a
out.
couple more, a dozen more, yeah.
No, more than a dozen.
Fingers crossed,
At
man.
least
Yeah.
at least 2 dozen.
Usman, what I want to know is that what's the purpose of coming on YouTube? I'm curious to know what your why is.
Yeah,
You're
coming on
already an
YouTube,
actor. You're already doing something.
I'll be very honest. The first thing, okay, so I can't really bitch about my industry because someone like me coming from Kashmir, not knowing anybody in Karachi, I just moved to Karachi just like this. Okay, I didn't have a place to stay. It's kind of crazy
Wow.
story, but yeah, I somehow managed. I just knew one person here in Karachi, and she's been a great friend. And that person, first I stayed at a hotel. And that's a true story. So when I came to Karachi, and I can get work, when I can get work, someone coming from Kashmir, एक गांव से उठ के अगर मैं आ सकता हूँ, मुझे कहाँ मिल सकता है? So merit system तो यहाँ पे है, इसलिए मैं bitch नहीं
Yeah.
करूँ. लेकिन कुछ drawbacks हैं. लेकिन एक तरह से अच्छा भी। जब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हो तो ये
All right.
इंडस्ट्री आपको इतना पुश करती है एक लिमिट तक कि यू जस्ट वांट टू स्टार्ट योर ओन थिंग। आप कहते हो कि ये हो गया बहुत, मैंने पंखा भी चला लिया,
Hmm.
मैंने बत्ती जला ली, मैंने उसको पानी पिला दिया, मैंने हीरो को बोल दिया कि यार तू कितना पागल है, तुझसे इतना प्यार करती है, अभी सब कुछ हो गया, आप कहते हो कि यार
Yeah.
ये क्या है, मतलब व्हाई एम आई हियर मैन, इज दिस व्हाट आई वांट टू डू।
Hmm.
बट लेकिन ये आपकी
Hmm.
ग्रोथ है, आपको स्टार्ट में ही लीड नहीं मिल जाएगा, दिस इज हाउ यू ग्रो। बट एज एन एक्टर
Hmm.
इट हर्ट्स व्हेन यू डोंट गेट द पोटेंशियल, व्हेन यू डोंट गेट द मार्जिन टू परफॉर्म। जब आपके अंदर होता है, आपको
Hmm.
एक होता है यार कि मैंने निकालना है, आपको जगह नहीं मिलती, तो इट रियली हर्ट्स। लेकिन इंडस्ट्री आपके साथ ये करती है, इट हर्ट्स यू टू द पॉइंट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टेकिंग थिंग्स इन योर ओन हैंड्स। आप कहते हैं मुझे अपना काम करना है, सो दैट्स वेयर आई started my own thing. It's one of those reasons,
I
not entirely
see.
that. Because yeah, I
I
am Allah
see.
ka karam. I've been fortunate enough. I've worked with Sabah Kamar. I've worked with Numan Ejaz. I've worked with Bilal
Wow.
Abbas. I've worked with Badr Mahmood. He's the craziest director of Pakistan right now. So Allah का शुक्र है कि I've
Mm-hmm.
been very fortunate कि मुझे इन लोगों से काम करने का मौका मिला। लेकिन उसके
Mm-hmm.
बावजूद कुछ होता है ना कि मैं एक्टर क्यों बनना चाहता था, because I wanted
Mm-hmm.
to have a fan base, yeah, have a certain
Mm-hmm.
followers who take me seriously, so that when I start making my own things, they would go and watch
Mm.
that. तो
I
अब
see.
मेरे ख्याल से टाइम था कि मुझे वो चीजें बनानी, क्योंकि मैं आई हैव ऑलवेज इन कंप्लेनिंग कि यार ये क्या फिल्म थी, उसमें क्या हो गया, इसमें क्या हो गया। सो व्हाई जस्ट रैंट मैन,
Hmm.
it's not about ranting, it's about, if you don't like the
Go and do
concept,
it.
okay, that's fine, go and do it
Beautiful.
yourself. If you can do it, तो
Exactly.
you can't just fucking rant, bro. तो मैं बस ये कोशिश है मेरी छोटी सी कि
Exactly.
आप अभी मुझे बहुत सीखना है। आई वुड से कि मैं अभी पहली सीढ़ी पे हूँ। जब मैंने शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाई है, आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू गाइस, मुझे वो उसमें जो मेरे दिमाग में थी वो चीज़ वो नहीं निकली। सो
It
दिस इज व्हाट
happens.
आई हैव टू लर्न कि जो मेरे दिमाग में है, आई हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट थिंग।
Usman.
दिस हैव
Usman, your first video will be bad. Your first podcast episode will be bad. Your first essay will be bad. You just have to get
This
past
will
that
be
and
good.
create great content. Matlab, it is what it is. You just have to create consistent content when you go around.
yeah,
And if there's one thing
that's what
that we've
I
learned
am
over
planning on
YouTube,
doing right now.
if there's one thing that we've learned off of YouTube that has killed a lot more creators than anything, is that people on the platform are not consistent. लोग एक वीडियो निकालते 3 महीने
Yeah.
बाद, एक वीडियो निकालते 6 महीने बाद, महीने में एक निकालते
Exactly.
मुश्किलों से। मतलब ग्रेट, तो क्वालिटी माइट बी अमेजिंग, लेकिन वो YouTube does not reward you for creating quality content as much as it
For
does
being
for
inconsistent,
creating
yeah.
consistent and regular content.
Yeah.
So I want you to keep
Exactly.
that in mind when you're going forward, when you're making your things in your personal brand. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. लेकिन ये एक hurdle होता है creators के लिए, where they think that they have to create amazing stuff, but however, but just create like one video a month, or like create like one video in 2 weeks. Just make sure you're regular, ताकि people know who you are in the YouTube space as well.
Exactly. I think that's a big plus point as well, because I follow a few channels, and I'm sure
Oh shit!
those guys work
Two
so
times versus
hard
one.
because they upload. I'm sorry.
Are we one of them?
Are we one of them?
Yeah,
The two times this podcast. Are we
yeah,
one
yeah,
of them?
No, I'll be very honest. I just followed you guys last night, but since we're having a talk,
It's all good.
थोड़ी देर पहले, you guys told me कि तुम लोगों ने 3 महीने में 50 वीडियोस निकाले, so that's मतलब
Yeah.
और क्या चाह रहे हो? So yeah, आप लोग भी
Yeah.
उस इसमें आते हैं, consistent people.
Thank you, buddy.
So,
Yeah,
Thank
keep
you.
doing
Spawn,
it, inshallah. Yeah.
dude, what I really want to know is being an actor is always something that comes with struggles, right? But
Yeah.
especially in Pakistan, people say that you need to know the right people, you need to be born in the right place. All of that. It's not possible to do just on your own. But you've mentioned that you started at Kashmir, you came
Yeah.
to Karachi yourself. So
Yeah.
talk more about that. How did you make it happen? Because I know it's a bigger jump to being an actor than what most people have to go through, but you seem to have done it really well.
Thanks, man. Well, yeah, it was, I would say, the biggest jump of my life, because, uh, I faced a lot of struggles. The struggles, पहली struggles, as an actor जो बंदा feel करता है. And then I belong to a very conservative family, conservative Kashmiri family. So we have very strong beliefs and
Hmm.
values. And going against
Hmm.
them to be an actor,
Hmm.
I would say that this was the biggest challenge I have faced. I always knew
Hmm.
that going to Karachi will not be easy, and getting work there
Hmm.
will not be easy. But it's a very cliche thing, but they say where there's a will, there's a way. So I
Hmm.
just had this one thing to live for. I still live for this thing. Uh, I lost a lot of things. I gained a lot of things, but this thing has been with me. जितना मैं कुछ सोच सकता हूँ, this thing has been with me, and I live for this thing. So
Hmm.
I knew I had to be in Karachi. Even though मेरा तो थोड़ा सा ये भी था कि I moved to Karachi and then I have to move back after 6 months. कुछ issues आ गए थे, so I had to move back. And then
Hmm.
लेकिन वही होता है कि जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. When I moved back to Karachi, moved back to
Hmm.
Islamabad. So Saiban वगैरह, the insane people were doing circular. And when
Oh
I reached
wow.
Islamabad and I hit them up, I'm back to Islamabad, and they like come over, audition for this thing. So I went there, auditioned, and I got that play. And Circulum was, I would say, a life changer for me in terms of my stage experience, because I played like 6 characters in that single play. In 1.5 hours, you get to play 6 characters. So what else does an actor
Wow.
wish for, man?
We
Yeah. So
watched
it
that
was
play,
an
by the
amazing
way. We
experience
were
for me.
there. We were there for that play, by the
Oh,
way.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay,
we were
okay.
both
I hope
there.
you
It
remember
was
Commander
really
Yeah.
Munawwar
cool.
and I don't remember the next name. जो भाभी का ठरकी था.
I
So
I
yeah, it
I
was an
don't
amazing play,
remember,
man.
dude. I genuinely don't, because the only two people I remember are Lala and obviously
Oh,
CB.
Lala always steals the show. My Lala is my love. So Lala
Yeah,
is
he's everybody's
someone
love.
who people remember for a long time.
Yeah,
So yeah,
man.
but after Circulum, I moved back to Karachi, and this time I came back and I was very serious about things. I straight away went to production houses,
Hmm.
audition. यार लेकिन अफसोस तब होता है जब आप इतने ऑडिशन देते हो और अंदर से देते हो. लेकिन
Hmm.
when you meet them and when you ask them that I came on audition, so then you get to know that nobody watches your audition unless you go there with the reference.
Nobody
सब
watches your
जगह नहीं,
auditions?
Ah.
most जगह. Yeah,
Really?
yeah,
They
yeah.
don't even
This
watch it.
they just delete, man.
Oh
जब
my
memory full
god.
होती है वो delete कर देते हैं. But जब देखो, लेकिन एक बात और भी है. Let's say, oh, my bad. Let's
It's all
say,
good.
okay. Let's say you have a lot of connections. Your connections can, get you to the audition room. Let's say you don't get the audition, you just straight away go for the shoot. Shoot पर जाके क्या करोगे आप? It's just like you'll go there and you'll make fun of yourself.
Hmm.
So a lot of people जिनको बोला जाता है कि they're here because of nepotism, I think it's true, but they're performing well.
Hmm.
So they are working hard. So if you see someone, if you see someone who is performing well, I don't find a reason to bitch about that person, because that
Hmm.
person is working hard for himself. Lekin when I
Hmm.
see those people who are so talented, I've worked with those people. I personally know certain people, but they're nowhere to
Hmm.
be seen. Audition देने जाते हैं, you know,
Wow.
sometimes they make it in, sometimes they don't.
Wow.
छोटा काम मिल जाता है, बहुत छोटा. लेकिन
I
कुछ लोग हैं,
I
some
genuinely
people
didn't
move
know
back, man.
that. I genuinely didn't know that people don't even watch your क्या कहते हैं auditions. I did not know that. I
Yeah,
did
this
not know that.
happens. This happens
Wow.
at few production houses. They don't even bother to watch your auditions
That
But
is
how many people?
unless they take you seriously.
How many people come though? How many people come through to an audition, like an average audition? How many people show up?
Yeah, it's like a daily thing. Whenever I've gone to production houses, there are like 7, 8 people sitting, all dressed up and all
Yeah.
gelled up, waiting for their audition to kick in. So it's
Yeah.
like a routine, man. When you have like 90 people coming over to audition every day,
Mm-hmm.
so would you bother to, watch
that's
all of their
fair.
auditions, man? It's hard for them. It's hard for them as well, man,
Hmm.
to manage all these auditions and all. But still, if somebody comes in and performs from the heart, man, it's really heartbreaking for them.
It is.
बिकॉज
You
उनको
want
तो
to
यही लगता है
hear?
ना कि हमने ऑडिशन दिया, हमें कुछ मिला नहीं, शायद वी आर नॉट दैट गुड, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स दे आर नॉट इवन, दे डोंट इवन
Given a
मेक इट टू
chance.
द
They're not even
डायरेक्टर्स
given a
रूम.
fair chance.
या
You
या
want to hear
या
a similar story? So,
या या
for
या या.
engineering schools, their career fairs are exactly like what you're describing. So
हम्म.
there's, thousands of people go. Everyone's dressed up. It's usually summer. Everyone's sweating and they're wearing suits. And then you
हम्म.
stand in line with 100 other people for an hour, sometimes 2 hours, to speak to one person at a company. And then they don't even take your resume. They just tell you to go apply online. And it's a
Wow.
complete waste of time. And every year, twice a year, everyone still goes and does it because you have to at least give it a try.
Yeah, yeah. What else can we do, man? We can just knock the
Yeah,
doors, man.
Yeah. But
but
like,
you knock on enough
Usman,
doors, you'll eventually get in.
exactly.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
it's
yeah.
only the one time that
That's how I got
matters.
in, man.
Yeah,
It's like
Detour dog.
I feel like people just give up way too easily. Like
Yeah, yeah.
they don't get into 3 auditions. To just give 30 auditions without any expectations and then see where you are. Like same thing with our podcast.
Well, that's right.
I told Salman before 100 episodes, we're not talking about any growth. We're not going to talk about any of our
Hmm.
metrics like properly seriously. Obviously, we do look at them
Hmm.
here and there, but like before 100 episodes, we're not even going to touch that because we need to hit that 100 episode mark, and then you can actually
Yeah.
start to fine
Talk
tune
about that. Yeah.
start to fine tune your approach.
Bilkul, bilkul. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So Salman, take it away, man. It's your time to shine.
yeah. So okay, yeah. I wasn't sure if we had anything more to say, but Usman, what I want to know is you've done 7 plays. You told me you said 6 to 7 TV shows, and
Yeah.
what's been one of your favorite roles or one of your favorite experiences from all of those?
Well, without a doubt, that would be Chief. Chief was a TV show. It was for ARY Digital. It was produced by Fahad Mustafa, Big Bang Productions, and I worked alongside Sabah Kamar. And this Chief is so special for me because okay, I'll tell you the story.
You just lit up, bro.
So the
Bro,
first
you just
day,
lit up. As soon as you started talking about Cheek, you just lit up. You're like,
yeah,
bro, Cheek was amazing.
yeah, it was so amazing, man. I still miss those sets. Even me and Bilal Abbas, we still miss Chief ke sets. Chief was so amazing. Chief was so amazing. I can. So हुआ ये the first day जब मुझे चीख मिला, so मुझे बताया गया कि I will be working with सबा कमर, so ज़्यादा टाइम उनके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करूँगा. So मुझे डायरेक्टर ने बताया कि यार सबा की परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पे होगी, तो तुम थोड़ा सा भी नीचे होगे ना तो फील हो जाएगा. Yeah, this thing got me, and I got so nervous. I got so nervous, and
Bro,
the day
I understand.
when I had to shoot, उससे एक रात पहले, I rehearsed my scene, and I made like 20-25 videos of that, of me doing my lines. आपको क्या हो गया ये वो जो भी lines थे मेरी. I did that, and the next day when I woke up, I threw up 2 times, and
Oh,
this was me being anxious because it was Sabah Kamar.
yeah.
And then what happened? I went to the sets. I was anxious. I smoked almost half a box, and then came in Miss Sabah Kamar, and there was a mini heart attack for me, and that shit thing is
Yeah,
just
yeah.
about to get real, man. What do I do?
How did
And then
you feel
we
after the
went to the restaurant.
performance?
We had to shoot the scene there, and scene से पहले मैं washroom में घुस गया.
Okay.
And I was inside, and I was just trying to easen up and loosen up. And when I came out, मैं एक टेबल पे आके बैठ के रेस्टोरेंट का सीन था हमारा. अब मैं सुन रहा उन्हीं को था, लेकिन I was posing कि मैं अपना फोन यूज कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा दिल बिल्कुल फटने वाला था. एंड इतने में सवा कमर सेट कि मेरा सीन किसके साथ है. एंड दैट वाज द मोमेंट. मैंने कहा बस मेरी सांस रुकना शुरू हो गई. मैंने कहा अल्लाह अपनी हाथ बचा ले.
No.
And then the AD came, Sardar bhi, and opposed. I didn't look at him. He was like, Sardar, मैं कहा yeah. कहता है मैम बुला रही है. मैंने कहा okay. मैं गया बैठा. And we talked about the character, and she said lines करते हैं. मैंने कहा चलें. अब ना उन्होंने कहा कि एक दफा लाइंस देख लेते हैं. अब क्योंकि मेरे जहन में मैंने इतनी तैयारी की हुई थी, I rehearsed it for like 20 times, so मेरे मुंह से निकल गया आप देख लें. मैंने कर लिया. So she looked at me, she smiled at me, और फिर मुझे एहसास हुआ कि मैंने ये क्यों बोला मैंने.
No,
खैर हम
that's
दोनों
good.
ने हाँ फिर हम दोनों ने लाइंस की और जैसी मैंने और कुछ ऐसा था कि मेरी कुछ 5 लाइंस थी, then she had to give her 2-3 lines, and I had to go and give my 3 lines. So when I gave my 5 lines and I looked up at her and she said wow, and मैं नर्वस हो गया क्योंकि ये तो कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया. कभी सेट पे कोई मतलब अच्छे से बात नहीं करता, तारीफ तो दूर की बात, मतलब कि nobody ever praises you कि मैन क्या सीन किया आपने. And it was सबा कमर जिनसे मुझे कभी भी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि someone of her stature would do something like this, man. And she said wow,
Wow.
and मेरा एक ऑटो रिप्लाई होता, मैं thank you so much. Coming out from you really means a lot. So she goes like, no, I'm serious. I've worked with a lot of actors. बहुत बड़े एक्टर्स का काम किया मैंने. उन्होंने मेरी तारीफ की कि you're so natural ये वो. इस एक चीज ने मुझे, सुबह मैं उल्टी कर रहा था, I was throwing up in the morning, और इस एक चीज ने मुझे इतना मोटिवेट किया throughout the serial.
Wow.
Then she went to the director and she told her कि what an amazing actor, जो भी उन्होंने मेरे बारे में बोला. And उन्होंने अगर coming out from Sabha Kamar and पहले दिन ही उन्होंने मेरा इतना मोरल बूस्ट किया.
Wow.
The whole project was so amazing for me, man. Working with her
That
was
is awesome.
such an absolute honor for me. I've always been, watching her dramas, and she's that person who I believe is the finest actor in our country right now. But now I would say she is the finest human being as well, because उनका जो
Wow.
ethics and work ethic है, it's so amazing. I'm a
Wow.
fan. I was a fan, and now I'm a double fan. Go watch subscribe करूँगा.
Usman, I
Dude,
totally
you know what?
understand, man. Dude, I totally get it, man. It feels it's over there.
That gave me
Dude.
chills, man.
Yeah.
You know what I thought
It was such
gonna
an
happen
amazing
this
thing.
one? I thought
Yeah.
that the way you're telling the story, I thought you would have rehearsed the lines for the wrong scene. I was so anxious up until you explained what happened. I was like, shit,
Yeah.
something bad's gonna happen.
Salman,
I'm
Salman,
so
he
happy
fucking
that worked
said,
out for you.
he fucking said Cheek was the most amazing thing ever, bro. Like,
No,
dude, it was
but,
a
like,
good,
you know, still,
like,
man.
you knew it was a good
You
thing.
never know. I didn't know where
Salman
the
is
good
right, man.
part came.
Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. And on that bombshell, guys, I think we're done with today's episode. Thank you so much, Usman, for joining us. The stories that we've just heard today are honestly so inspiring. Guys, go out, chase your dreams, keep knocking on those doors for 30 times at least, and
I love
just
your
like
soul.
just grind
I
away.
love the energy
Yeah.
you have.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thanks for having me. Guys, keep trying. We'll get it somehow. Inshallah.
Yeah.
Best of luck,
Thanks,
buddies.
man.
Take care.
And on that note, peace, adios, goodbye.